If you're wondering how to extract customer reviews using Browse AI, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you how simple it is to pull reviews from any website using this tool, and why it's a game changer for businesses looking to harness customer feedback. Browse AI is a powerful web scraping software that allows you to automate data collection without needing coding knowledge. Whether you're looking to gather customer reviews, product ratings, or any other public data, this tool makes it effortless. And the best part? You can get started for free using the link in the description below, along with our exclusive bonuses. Let's dive straight into it. To begin with, Browse AI is designed to make web scraping accessible for anyone, whether you're a marketer, business owner, or just someone looking to extract valuable data. If you're new to web scraping, it can seem a bit overwhelming, but Browse AI simplifies the entire process. Once you've signed up for Browse AI, again, totally free through the link below, you'll be taken to their dashboard. From here, the process is really straightforward. You'll want to select the Create a New Robot option, which lets you set up a new extraction task. After clicking that, Browse AI will ask for the URL of the website you want to extract data from. This could be any product page or review section that you want customer reviews from. Paste the URL into the box, and Browse AI will scan the website to help you build your scraping template. Now, here's where the magic happens. Browse AI automatically identifies the elements on the page you want to extract. You can point and click on customer reviews, star ratings, reviewer names, and any other data you need. Browse AI will then remember these selections, creating an extraction template that can be reused as much as you need. Once the template is set up, it's time to run the robot. You just click Start Extraction, and Browse AI will scrape the reviews, pulling all the data you need. Whether you're extracting a handful of reviews or hundreds, it does this fast and without the need for manual effort. What's even better is the data is available in multiple formats like CSV or Excel, so you can instantly export it for analysis, reports, or integrating into your CRM system. You can even automate this entire process by scheduling regular scraping jobs. That means you can collect fresh reviews and feedback continuously without lifting a finger. If you're doing digital marketing or working with a product, extracting customer reviews is vital for understanding your audience, improving your offering, and showcasing real customer feedback to drive conversions. Browse AI makes this task easy, saving you hours of work, especially if you're handling multiple sites or constantly need fresh data. Now, here's an insider tip. If you're managing a larger scale review collection task or working with multiple websites, you can create multiple robots for different extraction jobs. This means you can automate the entire process and have Browse AI do the heavy lifting for you. Remember, Browse AI also offers a free trial, so make sure you grab that extended free trial through the link below. This will allow you to explore the software's full capabilities without any upfront costs. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, Browse AI's simplicity combined with its power will definitely make it easier for you to extract reviews and other customer feedback. To wrap things up, Browse AI provides an intuitive, no-code solution for extracting customer reviews and other valuable data from websites. It's an essential tool for marketers, business owners, and anyone looking to gather insights from online sources. Don't forget to check the description for your exclusive and extended free trial. Start using Browse AI today and unlock the potential of automated data extraction.